Most benchtop drill presses sold online are overpriced junk built to fail inside a year. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud for years. Tired of wobble, inconsistent speeds, and misaligned holes slowing your projects? This video cuts through the noise and helps you pick with confidence. Today, I'm going to be going over the best benchtop drill press that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the WEN DP1263V. Initial impressions emphasize the heavyweight and sturdy footprint, dimensions around 16.8 by 13.5 by 36.6 inches. Next, the mechanical variable speed ranges from 580 to 3,100 RPM with a digital readout showing exact values. Additionally, the LED readout communicates real-time speeds, enabling precise selections while the lever controls fine speed adjustments during complex materials. With the digital LED readout, you can monitor current RPM in real time, ensuring optimal torque and hole quality across varying materials. Beveling supports 45-degree tilt, while the worktable measures 9 by 9 inches for stable and flexible layouts. The 5/8-inch capacity keyed chuck accepts a wide range of bits and includes onboard chuck key storage for convenience. MT2 spindle taper adds versatility, enabling quick changes between shank sizes and a broad catalog of compatible drill bits. The included laser and overhead LED light improve alignment and visibility, reducing measurement error when drilling in low light conditions. The base provides a 10 by 16-inch cast iron footprint with pre-drilled holes for secure mounting to a benchtop or work surface. Backed by a 2-year warranty, the manufacturer provides dependable customer support and readily available replacement parts for long-term reliability. During testing, the drill press delivered stable performance at varied speeds, producing clean holes through metal and wood with minimal chatter. Compared with the Delta XP400 model, the WEN DP1263V delivers steadier operation and more table space for complex setups. The pros include robust cast iron construction, precise speed control with digital readout, and integrated laser alignment with overhead LED light. The cons include the substantial weight and a price that sits higher than typical entry-level benchtop drill presses. At number 4, we have the VEVOR Benchtop Drill Press. From the initial feel, this benchtop drill press exudes sturdiness with a heavy cast iron frame and a compact footprint ideal for workshops. The column, table, and base integrate with a robust layout that optimizes stability while maintaining a relatively compact footprint for tight spaces. The machine offers a 12-inch swing and a versatile 0 to 45-degree tilt, broadening rough material access. Precision drilling benefits from an integrated Class 2 second laser alignment system that guides punch location while maintaining repetition through accurate, repeatable results. The variable speed control spans 580 to 3,200 RPM, and an LED display helps you dial exact settings. A dedicated heat dissipation system maintains cooler operation during extended drilling sessions, reducing thermal drift and preserving accuracy across multiple work cycles. The tilting worktable with integrated laser aligns parts while the built-in light illuminates the workpiece, minimizing shadows during detail work. Equipped with a chuck arbor and precision spindle, it accepts up to a 5/16mm hole capacity for versatile drilling. The package delivers a comprehensive accessory set including feed handles, lock handles, wrenches, a table, base, and column assembly for immediate setup. In practical tests, the drill press maintained alignment across wood and metal, delivering steady performance and consistent hole depth. Compared to a budget benchtop model, this VEVOR unit provides laser alignment, a wider speed range, and a heavier cast iron frame. The pros include powerful motors suitable for heavy material, broad speed range for varied tasks, and accurate laser alignment repeatable results. The cons include higher price than many mid-range alternatives for comparable performance and bulky footprint that occupies bench space and heavier overall weight. At number 3, we have the GarveeTech Benchtop Drill Press, a compact yet capable tool designed for precise work in small spaces. This compact 8-inch benchtop unit targets hobbyists and small workshops seeking precise drilling with adjustable speeds and integrated LED lighting. Initial impressions highlight the laser and X-ray positioning, delivering quick alignment and a clear view of drilling spots even in dim environments. The chassis feels sturdy metal with an 8-inch swing and a 1/2-inch chuck supported by a robust tilting worktable. 5 adjustable speeds span a broad range from 620 to 3,100 RPM for versatile drilling. Powered by a 2.5 amp induction motor ensures ample torque to drill through various materials like metal and wood. Drill and chuck capacity are both 1/2 inch, guaranteeing hole precision and consistent results across different workpieces. The 0 to 45-degree tilt adjustable worktable adds flexibility for bevel drilling without repositioning the workpiece. Integrated LED work light and Class 2 laser positioning ensure visibility and precise placement during challenging drilling tasks in dim environments. Performance testing shows stable speeds across materials and minimal drift during long sessions, highlighting reliability in real-world use. Laser alignment system helps locate drilling points precisely, reducing misalignment and improving repeatability across multiple holes and fixtures. Compared with a typical non-laser rival drill press, GarveeTech delivers enhanced alignment through the integrated X-ray positioning and brighter LED work light. The pros include sturdy build quality, an expansive speed range, and reliable laser alignment aids that boost precision in challenging setups. The cons include a higher price point and a slightly heavier overall weight compared with entry-level rivals, which may deter budget buyers. At number 2, we have the Garvee 8-inch Benchtop Drill Press. From the moment you unbox, the compact footprint and sturdy metal body suggest a tool designed for small shops and serious hobbyists. The integrated LED work light provides a bright, shadow-free view of the work area, improving visibility during careful drilling tasks. Designed for hobbyists and small workshops, this model targets users who value precision without sacrificing space. Its 5 speed settings range from 620 to 3,100 RPM, letting you dial for different materials. A robust 2.5 amp induction motor supplies ample torque to drill through wood or metal without stalling. The chuck accepts up to 1/2 inch bits, and the 8-inch swing provides generous clearance for mid-sized projects. A robust 0 to 45-degree tilting worktable with adjustable height unlocks angled drilling without sacrificing stability. The LED work light operates at 1 watt, and the integrated X-ray positioning helps you locate drilling spots with enhanced accuracy. The laser is Class 2 with a maximum output of 1 milliwatt, and the unit runs on standard 120-volt power. The compact metal frame keeps overall dimensions manageable while delivering sturdy support for reliable, repeatable drilling results. In practical testing, the unit maintains stable speeds and produces clean holes through wood and soft metals with consistent accuracy. For builders upgrading from handheld drills, the Garvee Bench Press offers superior control and repeatability at a reasonable setup cost. Compared with the popular WEN 680 drill press, the Garvee offers brighter illumination and more precise alignment aids. The pros include powerful 2.5A motor, 0 to 45 tilt, and LED plus X-ray positioning to guide precise work. The cons include a higher price compared with entry-level drills and a steeper learning curve for new users. At number 1, we have the Shop Fox W1668. Its sturdy metal construction and compact footprint immediately signal durability and space efficiency, appealing to woodworkers seeking reliable, portable shop upgrades. The unit offers a 13.25-inch swing, 3.25-inch travel, and a 5/8-inch chuck. A 3/4 horsepower motor runs on 110-volt supply, delivering spindle speeds from 250 to 3,000 RPM. It ships with a 5/8-inch drill chuck, enabling secure bit changes and compatibility with a broad range of standard woodworking bits. Additionally, model arrives with a 3-piece spindle sander drum kit, including a mandrel and 80 grit sanding paper to fit multiple drums. The design integrates a steel chassis with a compact footprint, ensuring stability during operation while occupying modest bench space for typical hobby shops. In real-world testing, you can expect precise drilling across soft and hardwoods with stable operation at both low and high RPM ranges. Compared to a commonly available budget drill press, the Shop Fox W1668 offers greater swing and a sturdier spindle assembly. The pros include a sturdy steel chassis, the spindle sander kit, and a notably wide speed range that expands capability. The cons include a higher price point for hobbyists and a larger footprint that may challenge ultra-compact workshops. Setup requires limited adjustments and straightforward alignment thanks to clear labeling, delivering quick integration into existing benches without professional calibration. Durability shines through steel construction and stable bearings, with minimal maintenance demanded beyond routine cleaning and occasional belt tension checks. Ideal buyers include serious woodworkers, small shop owners, and hobbyists needing a versatile drill press and spindle sander combo.